Hello, ladies. It's the day after my eighth chemotherapy, and I experienced a brain fog. It's like I don't remember what's the Japanese of dementia, which is ninchisho, which is a common term for us in the area where I'm working. Like, what? I can't remember. And the spelling of baggage, we're talking about something, and then it's like I have to write it down. Then the baggage is, how do you spell it? It's like, oh my gosh, I got so afraid of this brain fog. So I really have, so you know what I did was I read a lot that day. And then I still feel this pins and needles in my hands and feet, especially when I'm about to go to bed. I don't know why. But aside from that, what else? Yeah. So you really have to continue studying even if you're sick. You can just leave your mind so idle. So yes, that's why I'm going to start to read my book again, the Gym Quick Limitless. And I just finished my coaching session, and I'm so happy and grateful for my clients for always being on time. Yes, and yes, lady, if you have something to share with me or ask me anything, I'm here. I'm willing to listen. We're in here together. And thank you so much for your support and for always watching. Bye for now.